to all the moms. Moms of children who are still at home or all grown up. Moms who've outlived a son or daughter. Or moms of babies they never got to hold. Moms who've raised kids all on their own or became a mom to someone who needed one. Moms of children who have wandered from God or the longing to be moms who are still waiting. God perfectly arranged each of you into the role you have today. His word recognizes you as capable, strong, and praiseworthy. Everything you do makes our lives more beautiful. Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day, Mama! I love you!
Happy Mother's Day, Mami. Miss ka na namin. Ingat ka dyan lagi. We love you.
Mami, Sisi, Happy Mother's Day. Salamat sa bliss ni gihatag mo ko muna. Terme, we love you so much.
I love you, Mommy.
Ikaw like ka.
Stay pretty and stay healthy always. Love you.
Love you.
Love you too. Happy Mother's Day, Mommy. We love you. We miss you. Take care. God bless you.
Happy Mother's Day, Guma. We love you and I love you. Naway patuloy ka po palakasin pa ng ating Panginoon at pagpalain po ang iyong ministeryo. At lagi po nawa kayong mag-ingat sa anumang paglalakbay. Lagi po kayong bigyan ng Panginoon ang di pangkaraniwang lakas na kahit po kayo ay may edad na, ay patuloy niya po kayong aliwin sa araw-araw. Happy Mother's Day po. I love you po.
Happy Mother's Day, Nay. Ingat po kayo lagi dyan. Ingatan niyo po lagi ang sarili niyo. Saka panalangin ko po lagi sa ating Panginoon na lagi ingatan po kayo ng ating Panginoon, ang inyong buong kalusugan at laging nawa ang pakikisa ng mga kapatid sa dako ng kabuuan ng South Korea. Happy Mother's Day po, Linay. We love you po. We miss you. God bless po.